Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check Pi Network KYC status. Pi Network is a mobile-based cryptocurrency project that allows users to mine Pi coins directly from their phone and to move Pi to the mainnet and use it in the future ecosystem. Completing KYC verification is very important, and in this video I'll show you how to check your Pi Network KYC status step by step. So first, your KYC status show whether your identity is approved, pending or not yet submitted. Without a KYC approval, your Pi balance may remain logged. So first, you need to open to your Pi Network app here, and once you reach into this Pi Network dashboard, in the top left we can see there's a 3-line icon. Select your 3-line icon here, and once you reach into this left hand side, we can find the Pi browser just below the mainnet. Select with it. Over here you can simply sign into your Pi browser, and you can have an access to your KYC on the bottom just below the mine. Select to the KYC, and over here you will find your KYC passed, your verification is approved or not, your pending review, your documents are still being reviewed or not, your slot is available or not, KYC is not open for your account yet, action required, and you need to resubmit your information. And if your KYC is pending, you can just wait patiently. It may take a few days. So if slot is not available, keep on checking regularly. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your Pi Network KYC status. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.